Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord A minor, A minor. So let's get started. So that's the sound of the A minor chord. If you notice, it's a similar shape as to the E major chord. You're just simply moving all fingers down one string to make the E minor chord. And like a lot of minor chords, they sound a little bit dark, a little bit sad, but great chords to play with songs, used quite often. Okay, to play the A minor chord, you place finger number 2 on the second string of the first fret. Then finger number 3, you want to place it on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 3rd fret. And then play strings 5 on down. Okay, the 5th string is the A note. That makes the A minor. You can lift off your finger, place it back down. Make sure that bottom E sounds out. This is E major, A minor. Okay, again, review. Place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. Okay, then skip a string. Finger number 2 goes on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 3 on the string number 3 of the 2nd fret. And then strum strings 5 on down. That makes the A minor chord, A minor. Okay, to learn other guitar chords, please visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and like to see more of them, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. And if you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. And you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So I appreciate you and have a great day. God bless you.